Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Ashmat here. Today I'm going to be unboxing these roll-ups. They're rainbow flavor, berry. They have a 3-star health rating. There is 6 of them in this box, so I'll be unboxing these today. So let's open this up. They have an extra layer of wrapping so it doesn't get stuck to this. Might be able to see my cat in the background there. So usually what people do when they eat these, they stick them together like this. So I will be reviewing this now. It's nice and soft. Bit sticky, but got good flavour. Not a very big portion size, but if you just want a little snack, don't think it's that bad. I would give these roll-ups a 7.2 out of 10. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my reaction video that will be coming soon, later this week. Goodbye.